Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
We talked about how far we've come in padding. That stain resistance and that carpet material, that's where y'all have come so far.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the leader in the industry for stain resistance is R2X. That's a stain treatment that Shaw uses. R2X means resistance times 2. And it's really cool because when you think about your stain repellents, typically those are like topically sprayed on at the end of the manufacturing process, right? That's the way the Stain Master was. That's the way a lot of them are. The problem with that is once you have your carpet steam cleaned, because you're going to, because you need to maintain your warranties, that hot water extraction is removing your stain repellent. Yeah, so after 1 or 2 cleanings, that's gone. And then people wonder, why did my carpet used to stay clean and now it's staining all the time? Well, you've removed that. R2X stain treatment is molecularly bonded in the manufacturing process. It's not a topical treatment applied afterwards. You can't remove it. So once you've steam cleaned your carpets 1 time, 2 times, 22 times, it's still there. It's fantastic. It's honestly Stain Master on steroids. It's really good.
Well, and we'll dive into the requirements for professional cleaning for your warranty. The maximum is 24 months.
Yes.
So if you've steam cleaned your carpet 22 times on the 2-year, you got your money out of that carpet.
You did. Yep, absolutely. But we always talk with our customers about the importance of maintaining your carpets. Any flooring that you're putting in your home, flooring is a big investment for your home, and you want to take care of that investment. So part of that is with your carpets, your regular vacuuming is definitely going to help maintain the longevity of your carpet. Having dust, dirt, sand in your carpet and leaving it for long periods of time without it being vacuumed up, that almost acts like a sandpaper rubbing against the fibers, so it can cause premature fuzzing of your carpet and things. But yeah, you want to vacuum your carpets, and you need to have your carpets professionally steam cleaned, hot water extraction. Your warranty is going to require that you do not go past 24 months. So we tell people every 18 to 24 months, put it on your calendar, do not pass that 24-month mark. And keep your receipts. That is not something you can DIY, Bissell steam clean yourself. The manufacturer is not going to care about that. You need a receipt so that if you did have a problem with your carpet later years down the line, it's going to be covered by your warranty.
And I won't sidetrack, but that's a great application for our HomeZada app that we use, the digital file for your home that we talk about and use and have licensed for Arizona. That's an easy thing. You can have your receipt, take a picture with your phone, save it on your maintenance schedule in your app, and be able to show that and not have to worry about where to find those, keep those.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.